Hi there, digital world.
You might be holding different kinds of social media accounts like YouTube, Facebook, and Instagram. The reason why you have to focus on your channel and the quality and its presentation is to establish your brand. So your channel banner should represent who you are as a channel. Your profile picture should represent your identity. Now let me present to you the things that I have experienced through the time. When I started my YouTube channel, I didn't know how to create my channel banners, my intros and outros. But I've learned how to navigate myself in creating beautiful contents on the internet. I can offer you good quality content. Now you don't need to worry about the copyright restrictions because the video intros and outros that I create is licensed and you can use them over and over again. You probably think na pwede ko namang i-edit ang mga channel banner ko. Yes, I totally agree with you. But the thing is, sa kaka-edit mo, nakakalimutan mo yung content mo. Iba-iba ka ng images. What happens is, you loses your identity, you loses your brand. Let's create a strong name about your channel. Meron akong libre ibibigay doon sa mga 100 subscribers. You can choose between channel banner, intros, or outros. And you can also ask me for logo if you are just a beginner. My prices can be adjusted according to my prices here in Sweden, or we can adjust it according to your budget. Please don't forget na mag-like and subscribe kayo sa aking channel or i-message ninyo ang aking channel. I hope magbibigay kayo ng review sa aking Facebook page or sa aking YouTube channel. I'm looking forward to work with you so soon. So see you again on the next art.